All of you, good evening.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Today we are going today we are going to learn about articles. So already we have started this class. So what we discussed in the previous class, just we recollect what we discussed in the previous class. So do you know what is article? It is an adjective words. So articles used before nouns. So articles a and the are called articles. So there are two types of articles in English. So one is definite article, the second one is indefinite article. So you know what is definite article, what is indefinite article. Already you know about these. What is definite article, what is indefinite article. So in English, we have 26 letters. They give 44 sounds. Already we discussed about this. So a and the are called articles. So a and are indefinite article, the is definite article. So we know in English 26 letters they give 44 sounds. So a and these indefinite article depends upon sounds. So already we know consonant sound. What are the consonant sounds? What are the vowel sounds? So what are the vowel letters? What are the consonant letters? Already we know about these sounds and letters. So you know what are the consonant letters? You can see in this pic. So B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all consonant letters. The remaining five, so I mean A, E, I, O, U, these are called vowel letters. These are all called vowel letters. So they give consonant sounds and they give, I mean vowel letters give vowel sounds. So A is used before consonant sounds. A is used before consonant sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. An is used before vowel sounds. So for example, already we known about these a, where we used a, where we used an. So already we have seen the examples of these, like boy, a bird, book, school, a dog. These are all begin with consonant sound. That's why we can use a. So when the word begin with vowel sounds, then we use an. So a is used before consonant sound, an is used before vowel sounds. So for example, idiot, apple, egg, like these. So these words begin with vowel sound. So if the word begin with vowel sound, then we use an. So I mean and an a and an, it's depend upon sounds. So if the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. If the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So you can see here, orange, the word begin with a, so that is a vowel sound. So then we use an. So umbrella, the word begin with a sound. So we use an. So I, the word I begin with vowel sound, then we use an. So that is indefinite articles. So a and an, where we use a and an. So if the word begin with consonant sound, then we can use a. If the word begin with vowel sound, then we can use an. So where we do not use a and an, where we do not use a and an. So already I told you in the previous class. So where we do not use uh, a or an. So a and not used before these things. So like you can see in this picture. So plural nouns. So if the word plural, then we do not use a or an. If the word uncountable nouns, if the word uncountable nouns, then we do not use a or an. If the word material nouns, if the word material nouns, then we do not use a or an. So if the word meal, names of meals, then we do not use a or an. I mean a and an we do not use before these words like plurals, uncountable nouns, material nouns, names of meals, like these. So already I told you. So book, it is a singular noun, books is a plural noun, doctor is a singular noun, doctors is a plural nouns. So like we do not use these plural nouns, we do not use the uncountable nouns. Already we discussed what is uncountable noun, what is countable noun, so what is material noun, like this. So meals of day, I mean breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, like these before these words we do not use a or an. So this is where we do not use a and an. So now we are going to learn about definite article. So what is definite article? Definite article is a, that is the. So definite article, that is the. So what is definite article? The is a definite article we use before a specific things. If we use before, the is used before a specific things, a particular things, a knowing things, like these words we can use definite article before. These words before, the is used before, we know more things about where we used definite article, where we used definite article. So the definite article is used before unique objects. So the is used before unique objects, that means unique things. So unique mean only one. Unique mean only one in the universe, in the universal, only one in the universal. So I mean for example, sun is a unique thing in the universe, moon is a unique thing in the universe, earth is a unique thing in the universe. So the is used before unique things. So the is used before unique things, we discussed about this. So for example, you can see, for example, so you can see these examples. So the sun rises in the east, the moon appears at the night. I mean a sun, it is a unique thing, this is a unique object, this is a unique object, sun or moon or east, like this, a night, sky, earth, these are all called unique things. So when we when unique things in the sentence, then we can use before that unique things definite article. We use the definite article before a unique things, before unique things. So you can see these examples. The sun rises in the east, the moon appears at the night. A sun, it is a unique thing, unique object, so one, only one in universal, so that is a sun. so earth, east, moon, like these. So when we when we when we use definite article, so before unique things, before unique things, so the I mean the definite article is used before a more or less words. So for example, the more you learn, the more you benefit. The more you learn, the more you benefit. So I mean, if the word begin with more, then we can use definite article, that is the. So the more you learn, the more you benefit. So it begin with less, that is a word less. So then we use definite article, that is the. So less the you work, less you get. So before only, the is used before only, the is used before only. I mean, Ravi was for example, so Ravi was only a student who raised a doubt. So I mean, the word in the sentence only, before only, so only think, then we can use the definite article, that is the. So in this sentence we can observe Ravi was the only student, so who raised a doubt. So who raised a doubt. So I mean, here is only, that is a one thing, that is a specific thing, that is a specific person. So the is used specific things, the is used a particular things, the is used a specific person, the is used a particular person. So like this, Ravi was only, that is a only one, that is, here is a specific person. So here we can observe the student is a specific, so that's why we can use the only student. For example, Ronnie is only a girl, so who attend the classes. So that is before only, then we can use a definite article, that is the. So religious books, I mean holy books, I mean well-known books in the world, then we can use definite article, that is the. So example, the Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, so like these. So I mean, if the I mean in the sentence, so there is in the sentence, religious books or unique things, or I mean holy books or well known books, then we can use definite article, that is the. So that is the, I mean well known books like Gita, Bible, Vedas, Mahabharata, Quran, Ramayana, that, like example. So my grandfather every day read the Ramayana. So my grandfather every day read the Ramayana. So before before the religious books, or before the well known books, or holy books, then we can use before holy books, before well known books, or before religious books, then we use definite article. I mean, so before these books, definite article is used before these books, like Gita, Quran, Ramayana, Mahabharata, like these books. So for example, my mother my mother uh, read daily the Gita. So like this. So so next one, the person. So we mention the first time, so then we use a or an. So we mention in the first time, then we use a or an. Then we mention the second time, then we can use definite article, that is the. So if the sentence, and I mean we mention the first time in a sentence, then it begins then we use indefinite article, that are a or an. So then we can use the second time the same thing, that is that is I mean or thing or person or a place, then we use definite article, so that is the first time we use indefinite article, the second time we use definite article. So it indefinite article, it depend upon sounds. So here you can see the first and second time. So this paragraph, so for here I met dash girl and dash boy at the railway station. So these sentence, we known about we known about a first time a girl and a boy. So that's why we use a girl, a boy, like this. We use a girl, a boy. I mean, uh, girl, it begin with consonant sound. A boy, it begin with consonant sound. That's why we can use a. That's why we can use a. So I met a girl and a boy at the railway station. So here is a specific thing, a specific place. That's why you can use the railway station. It's a definite article. Next, a second time. Already I told you. So the paragraph, it begin with first time. So then we mentioned. When we use indefinite article, then the same thing we use a second time. Then we can use definite article, that is the. So the same thing, girl, the first time we use indefinite article, then again we see a girl, so that's then we use a definite article, that is the. So in these examples of the paragraph, so I met a girl and I met a boy at the railway station, then again we use that is the second time we use. So that's why the second time then we use definite article, that is the. So girl is about 20 years old and dash boy is about 10 years old. I mean, in this sentence, a girl and a boy, we mentioned second time. When we mentioned second time, then we use definite article, that is the. So here, the girl is about 20 years old, the boy is about 10 years old. So if the we use the first time, then we use indefinite article. If we mentioned the first time, then we use indefinite article. If we mentioned second time, then we use the definite article. So here are the some examples of these first time mentioned and second time mentioned. So already we know about these. Next, so the is used before superlative degrees. The is used before superlative degrees. Definite article is used before superlative degrees. So already I told you in the previous classes. Already we discussed in the previous classes. So adjective, it write three forms: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So superlative degree, we can add a suffix, that is est, or we can add a prefix most, so like these. So these are called superlative degrees. Already we discussed about these superlative degrees. So if the word in the sentence a superlative degree, then we use before these superlative degrees, that is definite article. So I mean, the is used before superlative degree, definite article is used before superlative degrees. You can see in these examples. So Abdul Kalam is one of dash greatest person in India. So I mean, greatest, it is a superlative degree, so when we identify that is a superlative degree, then we use definite article, that is the. So Abdul Kalam is one of the greatest persons in India. So right. Next, honey is dash best policy. Best, it is a superlative degree. Best, the word best, it is a superlative degree. When we identify that is superlative degree, then we use definite article that is the. So honesty is the best policy. Next, third example, villages are dash most beautiful places. So in these sentences, a most, it is a most beautiful, it is a superlative degree. So when we identify a most is a most beautiful, it is a superlative degree, then we use definite article the. Definite article the. So here is villages are the most beautiful places. So next, the fourth one, R.K. Narayana is one of dash most famous Indian writers in English. So already I told you. So what is superlative degree? What is superlative degree? So if the word, I mean, we add suffix est, that is a superlative degree. We add, I mean, prefix most, that is superlative degree. Already we discussed in the previous classes about adjectives. So adjectives are right, three degrees of forms: a positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So that superlative degree, then we use definite article that is the. So in these examples, the greatest, the best, the most beautiful, the famous, the most famous. So the most famous. So when the words are superlative degrees, then we use definite article that is the. That is the. Next, musical instruments. The is used before musical instruments. The is used before musical instruments. The is used before musical instruments. So like so musical instruments like piano, violin, sitara, a flute, like these are all musical instruments. So definite article the is used before musical instruments. For example, so my friend plays dash flute. So a flute, it is a musical instrument. Flute, it is a musical instrument. Then we use definite article that is the. If the word flutes, if the word flutes, then we do not use definite article. Why we do not use definite article? Flutes, it is a plural noun. Flutes is a plural noun, that is not singular. So that's why we do not use definite or indefinite article. So my friends plays dash flutes. No, there is no article. There is no article. If the sentence my friend plays dash flute, then we use definite article that is the. Next, Akash plays the guitar very well. So I mean, guitar, it is a musical instrument. Already I told you the is used before musical instruments. They are they are buying dash piano. I mean, a piano, it is a musical instrument. That's why we can use definite article that is the. So they are buying the piano. So I mean, the is used before musical instruments like piano, violin, sitar, flute, like these. Next, the definite article is used before time expressions. Time expressions, like you can see these examples of the trees. So the college will be opened in dash morning. So morning, evening, afternoon, we mentioned a time. So in these sentences we expresses of the time. So we we when we express time we express time expressions in the sentences, then we can use definite article that is the. That is the, I mean, thus in the sentences we express a time expressions, we express the time expressions, that is then we use before time expressions of the word definite article that is the. So I mean, time expressions before time expressions we use definite article. So like college will be opened in the morning. So people usually go for walking in the evening like this. So our school will be open in the morning. Our school is closed in the evening like this. So students will take a lunch in the afternoon. So that is a time expression. So in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon like this. So the is used before time expressions. The is used before time expressions. So the is used before historical buildings. The is used before historical buildings. I mean historical buildings. Taj Mahal, Charminar, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, like these words. So historical buildings. The is used before historical buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Charminar, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, like these. So the is used before rivers. The is used before wait. So the is used before names of mountains, rivers, oceans, desert, etc. So the is used before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. So I mean definite article the is used before rivers. So for example, the Gangas, the Godavari, the Nile river, hmm, the Thames, like these. So oceans, I mean definite article is used before oceans, canals, the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal, like this. So the is used before oceans, the is used before rivers, the is used before desert, the is used before, so like these things. So the is used before names of books, already we talk about this. So the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran, like this. So the is used before superlative degrees, already we have completed. So the is used before musical instruments, violin, flute, like this. So the is used before an adjective to denote a whole class. So I mean used an adjectives used an nouns like whole class, like these, the rich people, the old people, the poor people, like this. So the old man across the road, the rich people lived in this street, so the poor people lived in this street, like this. So I mean whole of the class. For example, the student, I mean here the student, that means all of students. So if you use a student, then it is only one student. If you use the student, then the whole of the students, it is for whole of the student, it is for whole of the student. So when we use a girl, so I mean a girl, that is only one girl, a girl, that is only one girl. If we use a girl, we use a girl, so you mention the girl, that is all of the girls, or we mentioned a specific thing, then we also use definite article, so we use the, when we know that there is a only one of a particular thing, already we discussed about this. I mean the is used before unique things. The is used before unique things. So then we use definite article like the sky, the world, the north pole, like this. So I mean the is used before directions also. The is used before directions, I mean the east, the west, the north, like this. So the is used before ordinals, already I told you in the topic of parts of speech, I mean that is adjective, we discussed about adjective. So adjectives denotes ordinals, like this. So the first, the second, the last, like this. So the is used before, the is used before ordinals. So the is used before ordinals. So next, the is used before historical events, a famous historical events. Already we know the Republic Day, the Independence Day, the Industrial Revolution, like these historical events. Then we use a definite article, that is the. So the is used before newspapers. The is used before newspapers. I mean the Hindu, the Enadu, the Sakshi, so the Times of India, the India Today, like this. I mean, the is used before, the is used before newspapers, names of newspapers. So the is used before years or festivals, like this. So already we know what are the festivals, like Diwali, Pongal, I mean Sankranti, Dasara, Ugadi, like these are all called festivals. So definite article, the is used before festivals, the is used before years, I mean the leap year, like this. The Ramjan, the is used before festivals like Ramjan, Pongal, Christmas, Dasara, Diwali, like this. The Ramjan, the Pongal, the Christmas, like this. We can use the is used before years, the is used before festivals, like this. So we have learned where we use definite article and indefinite article. Now we are going to learn about where we do not use articles, where we do not use articles, I mean omission of article, omission of article, that is we do not use articles, we do not use articles, omission of article. So a or an and the we do not use before the names of relations, like a father, uncle, sister, brother, mother, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, like these. We do not use articles, the names of relations, the names of relations. We do not use articles before the names of materials. Already already we learned about a noun is a naming word, it tells the names of persons, places, things, etc. So noun can be divided into two types, abstract noun and concrete noun. So what is abstract noun? Already we learned what is abstract noun. Already we learned what is concrete noun. So what is abstract noun? Abstract noun is a, these can be neither seen nor touched. That means we cannot seen, we cannot touch. That is called abstract noun, like air, soul, freedom, beauty, slavery, handsome, love, like these are all examples of abstract noun. So what is concrete noun? The concrete noun, these can be either seen or touched. That means we can see, we can touch. That is called abstract noun, like mobile, book, pen, like these are all called concrete nouns. So again concrete nouns subdivided into four types. So they are proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun. So material noun, that is the name given to a thing that is having no life, that is called material noun. Already we learnt about that. So here, so we do not use articles before the names of materials, like gold, silver, diamond, like these, wire, oil, rice, water, like this. We do not use like these material nouns. So articles we do not use before proper noun. Already already we discussed about this one. So what is proper noun? So what is proper noun? So a proper noun, it is a name given to a particular thing, a specific thing, a specific person, a particular person, like this. So the names mean the proper noun, it is the name given to a particular thing or person or place. So that is a proper noun. So for example, Kundripi. Kundripi, it is a particular name. Kundripi is a particular name. Chennai, it is a particular name. So particular name. So then we do not use. So then we do not use before a proper noun. Before proper nouns. So next we do not use abstract noun. So we have discussed about this proper noun. What is proper noun? So proper noun, it is a we cannot see, we cannot touch, that is called proper noun. Air, honesty, beauty, wisdom, truth, love, soul, like these are all called examples of abstract noun. I mean abstract noun, these can be neither seen nor touched, that is we cannot see, we cannot touch, that is called abstract noun. So we do not use articles before abstract nouns, like honesty, wisdom, truth, like this. So we do not use before art, we do not use articles before languages, before languages. I mean Telugu language, Hindi language, English language, Tamil language, Kannada language, Malayalam language. These these languages before, we do not use before languages. We do not use articles before languages. So we do not use before certain phrases, at noon, at train, at foot, like this. So we do not use at noon. By we use in the afternoon, I mean we mentioned a time expression, then we use definite article. So here certain phrases, at noon, at night, like this. So we do not use definite or indefinite articles. So this is the topic of articles. So already we learnt about what are articles. A, an, and the are called articles. So articles is mainly two types. They are indefinite article, a definite article. So a and an are called indefinite articles. The is called definite article. So indefinite article is used before nouns. It depends upon sounds. So like consonant sound and vowel sound. If the word begin with consonant sound, then we use a. If the word begin with vowel sound, then we use an. So definite article. So the, that is the definite article. The is used when we speak of a definite person or thing. So the is used when we talk of when we speak of a definite person, a specific person, a particular person or thing, then we use definite article. So like so unique things, rivers and seas, oceans, well-known books, directions, newspapers, ordinals, superlative degrees, like these. So already we learnt about where we use the definite article. So where we do not use articles, I mean where we do not use a or an or the. So before the names of relations, before the names of materials, before the proper noun, before abstract noun, before languages, before certain phrases, like these. So this is article. So this is the end of the class. So now we have just now we have learned about articles, where we use, where we do not use. So this is the end of this class. Now I would like to stop this class. So thank you for everyone, all of you. Bye. Only 8 members are
Bye,
you.
sir.
Bye.
Um,